I saw a girl last night. She was standing in the light in a corner of the room. She was waiting for a hand. Then a boy came over and he asked her to dance. All eyes stopped to watch them. They moved up and down with the waves of the soul. Their moves keeping time for the rhythm. And the girl looked at him and she knew what it was. And she smiled as she said to him, please twirl me one more time and don't stop spinning me. Please swirl me in your mind so I can be a color painting that you'll look upon. Spin, spin with me. I heard a story about a man. He came up with a plan for flying. He showed it to his wife. Then he said, now darling, why are you crying so? And she whispered in his ear, I have a fear you won't come back down to this ground. And he said, I'll always come back to you. Just help me this once to get higher up. And he kissed her and he said, please twirl me one more time and don't stop spinning me. Please swirl me in your mind so I can be a color painting that you'll look upon. And he was off and gone.